What's up guys, welcome back to my beautiful YouTube channel. It's your girl Dorcas Ondieki. Yes guys, karibuni sana to today's video. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Naopenda sana 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 from the deepest part of my heart. I'm so grateful. Thank you for the 423 of you guys who have subscribed. Kindly kama uja subscribe tufike 1,000. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. Tuko 423. We still have a long way, but one day inshallah tutafika, si ndio guys? Yes guys, so on today's video I just want us to talk about two things, not serious things. Okay, for the serious thing, anaitwaje? Aden Duale alisema, Aden Duale said that kuna watu waliniambia niongeange kizungu. Kumbe kuna kabila zingine zina watch. Anyway, kizungu nayo si rahisi. Unajua my favorite subject both in school and primary school ilikuwa English stroke Swahili languages tuseme. But anyway, yeah, tutajaribu. So Aden Duale said that they don't need any suggestions from Kenya regarding the Ebola situation. So they want to build an Ebola quarantine here in Kenya, uko Laikipia. Na President Trump alitoa 1.2 billion ya kujenga hiyo quarantine here in Kenya. So people are saying that is risking the Kenyan citizens' life, but Aden Duale said that they don't need any advice or any suggestions from Kenya regarding that situation. So we're waiting to see if they will still go ahead and build the quarantine here in Kenya. We are still waiting tuone venye kutaenda, na pia there is the finance bill. So yeah, we're waiting to see how it all unfolds. So on today's video I wanted us to talk about Ekodida. Ekodida si ni mtajiri jamani. So Ekodida wedded his fiancée over the weekend. Na over the weekend kweli, some few days back, they did a wedding, not too private but not too public, and it was amazing. Congratulations to you guys. Marriage is a beautiful thing, but it needs work. I'm not married, but I'm telling you, marriage needs work. If you won't work on your marriage, you'll separate. Be 100% sure of that. Marriage needs a lot of work. But anyway, congratulations to you guys. You fulfilled one of God's, God's assignment on earth. Alisema watu waone wajaze dunia. So yeah, congratulations, and may God favor you, give you the grace to sustain that marriage, because marriages zinakuwa na challenges mingi sana, and Satan does not want to see people happy in marriages. So he fights a lot of marriages, but may God give you that grace to sustain the marriage. And yeah, mandelea kujaza dunia. So there's another story. There's another couple that did their wedding. Hiyo ni story niliona tu online. They did a wedding that costed them around 3.5 million Kenyan shillings. So that's about how many dollars? Anyway, so 3.5 million Kenyan shillings, and no one attended their wedding. Okay, I didn't mean to laugh, but I mean, you guys know the relationship you have with your friends, with your family. So you just have to know, you just have to know if they will attend the wedding or not. That should not be a surprise. I mean, if I have friends, best friends, and I know these are my real friends, these are just friends, and these are the people I know, and this is my family. Don't you have families? why didn't they come? So maybe you guys are not good to them, because may I going to go to my enemy's wedding. But anyway, that is what happened. I don't know why anyone didn't go for the wedding, but yeah, the decision is best known to them. Let's not judge. But anyway, yeah, so marriage, there were some people saying that civil marriage is better than, you know, the white wedding, the church wedding and everything, because of the budget and yeah, all those things. Me, what I'll say is, if you can afford a church wedding, a white wedding, do it. Mbona mtu akukataze? If you have the money, usiende kuchangisha. Don't go around asking people, creating groups so that you can contribute to your wedding. No, if you want to marry, if you guys want to get married, the lady and their husband, you should, you know, take the money out of your pockets, not from other people's pockets. I don't think it's a good idea that you put up a pay bill for people to contribute to your wedding. No, you do your wedding, invite people so that they can come with gifts, you know, not give you money to arrange for your wedding. It's not a marriage, it's not a must you do a wedding. No, you can go to a civil servant, pay around 5K, I don't know how much is it, pay 5K, get your rings, sign, witness, done. Then do a private party with your friends and close family members. With your friends and family members. I mean, you don't have to throw a lavish wedding, and here you get sad that this person did not contribute to my wedding. No. A wedding is your responsibility. So as paying dowry, it's about you too. And there's a situation, I said kitambo kidogo, I said that I will help my husband to pay for my dowry, because it's me who is getting married and those are my parents who are receiving the dowry. And people are like, no, the dowries should be paid by the man. Guys, I don't think that we should put all the pressure on the guy. After all, these are your parents too. So saidia the guy kulipa mahari. Ndata mkiachana akikwambia rudisha mahari, unamrudishia pesa zake kidogo, zingine unaacha na unabaki nazo. Utaanza kushort shit zako kulipia pesa yote. Yeah, so guys, that's all from me today. Let me know what you think about the whole shenanigans of marriage, weddings, civil, and all that. Comment down below. Let's engage on the comment section. Like the video and subscribe. Kindly subscribe. And if you have subscribed, kindly share to your friends and family members so that they can subscribe. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.